Hey you guys, okay, so today I am back as promised. We are talking about just the beauty items from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I have some new items that you haven't seen. If you saw my first anniversary sale video, which was my in-store haul, you saw I filled up basically this entire bag full of beauty items. I know, it was crazy. I've gotten a few more. We're gonna talk. You notice that I don't have on a lot of makeup, or I don't really have on like a lot yet. We're gonna use some of my newest items from the sale to kind of complete my look. And I'm gonna go through some tips, you guys. We're in the last stretch of the sale. It's the first. The sale ends on the 5th. And I just wanted to do a last call to let you guys know this is serious business. Buy some of these items for Christmas gifts. I cannot tell you guys, every year I'm always like, please stock up on these items for Christmas gifts. This is my favorite little moisturizer set I always talk about. My favorite deodorant. I mean, that's like must-haves for me, right? But such cutesy little gifts. This is one that I haven't shown you guys yet, which we will talk about and use in this video. I'm so excited. You guys know, if you've seen my videos every year, that I go nuts during this sale. Found a new favorite perfume, but I take advantage of it for holiday gifts, for birthday gifts, anything. If you guys have shopped the sale already and maybe you didn't think to do that, definitely get on that. So I am so excited to be collaborating once again this year with Nordstrom for their anniversary sale. I love working with them, and as you guys know, hopefully if you've seen me before, these are all things that I shop for. It's all my style, it's all things that I buy myself, and I just wanted to kind of throw that out there if you didn't know how I roll and you weren't really sure, you know, about how this stuff works. But I just love collaborating and doing these types of things with them. And yeah, so you guys, this is so good. I'm wearing it today, and I wanted to kind of revisit this Prada Candy gloss. This was like $100, $102, and it's a $158 value. You get 2 perfumes that are like huge. I mean, usually if you get like a second perfume, it's like a little one. This is like just one that, you know, you would buy. I mean, you know what I'm saying? They're so good. So I absolutely love this. It's like my new favorite, and can't get enough of that. So definitely check that out. They also have the same set in the Prada Candy Floral, so definitely check that out. Let's get into new things, right? I am wearing a couple items that you may recognize from that video before we get into the beauty stuff. Quickly, let me kind of show you what I did. So I showed you these tops. These are regularly $69, $44 during the sale. I love how now, or when it gets just slightly a little cooler, you know, you can definitely kind of roll them up. You can tie it like this. I'm wearing them with some jeans that I got from the sale as well. These adorable high-waisted jeans, which just happen to be my very favorite high-waisted jeans anyways. I own them in a different wash. So you can get these at a major, major discount. I will link to these. I will link to this. And then when it gets cold, you know, you can roll the sleeves down. You can wear it longer because it is, you know, a little bit longer like that. But I just always like to leave the bottom few buttons unbuttoned and just kind of do that little dealy. And in the video I showed you this necklace, and I had it worn like all the way down, but I mentioned that you could double it up. I didn't actually show you how to do that in the video, but how cute is that? Okay, so let's get into this. If you missed that first video where I showed all of my first round of anniversary sale beauty items, I am gonna use a few of those items for the video, like this Trish McAvoy kit with the mascara and the primer, $35. 2 full-size products that would normally be $66. So just insane. And that mascara was one that I already had used and loved anyway. So let's get into it. I am dying to get something on my eyes. So MAC. The MAC sets for the anniversary sale are insane. I will link to all of the MAC items, the beauty exclusives from the sale. But I love, love, love these Naughty Girl palettes. So they have a metallic and they have a matte. Just think that they're so easy. But it has a highlight and it has all of these beautiful colors. This is, I think, so insane for the value. You get 3 full-sized items. They're not, it's not like a tiny little palette. You've seen maybe MAC has come out with some palettes recently that look like this. The whole set, I believe, is less than just one of those regularly. It's $44.50, $202 value. So I think that's pretty insane. Love all of these colors. This is the matte one. The metallic one, I think, is maybe even prettier. I just thought that I would probably like this one the best, and then it has the highlight shade, which is really gorgeous. I kind of want to use a different highlighter though from that other Becca kit, but here is what this one looks like. It is gorgeous. I'll just put it on so you can see a little, but oh my gosh, so pretty. We're just gonna have a ton of highlight on because I'm gonna use that other one too. Okay, so let's get into it. I mean, it's everything that you need. We can do the whole entire look with this, you guys, but I think instead of using this mascara, I'm gonna use the Trish one because I wanna show you. So, let me get my mirror here. And we're gonna use the Trish Eye Base. Speaking of, okay, this is my Simple Human mirror that I've had for years. It's $200. It is $134 during the sale right now. Do you see what I'm saying, you guys? I've been keeping this one at this table recently because sometimes I do like to come in here and do my makeup with like the natural light, and you know, if I'm doing a video here, it really helps. Okay, so I'm using the Trish Eye Base, and I need to pin my hair up. We're just gonna flip it. I like this because it's color correcting. It kind of like blends onto your lids and creates like a pretty canvas. Kind of like conceals those like veins on your brow bone. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, so many pretty colors. I'm gonna start with this natural one, and I'm just gonna like sweep it over my lids just to create like a pretty canvas. I take this color. This looks like the perfect crease color, right? And I'm gonna sweep it just right. Oh yeah, it is. It is the perfect crease color. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. This is a really good palette. And you're done. No, you could literally leave it like that. That is so pretty. And then I love this color that's a little like taupier, like a little kind of like a plummy taupe. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put it just right on the outer edge now that we've kind of like done the big crease color. Gosh, these blend so well. And while I have my big fluffy brush, I'm gonna take this, which is a really good highlight shade, and put it like right on my brow bone. Now to kind of like just darken it up and make it a bit sexy, take that darkest shade and I'm gonna put it right here in my outer corner. Smudge just a little under your eye right there. So good, right? And then take this little gold color. It's not like an obnoxious gold, it's just such a beautiful little shimmery gold, and like a real smooth gold. And I just put it right in the middle. This is the eyeliner that came with it. The Modern Twist Casual Eyeliners from MAC, y'all, are so good. And this is the color Squid. So I'm just gonna get that really close to the lash line and just smudge that on there. So soft and pretty. Crazy good, you guys. That's just such a good little set. And this is the Extreme Dimension 3D Lash Mascara, which is amazing. But I'm gonna show you guys that Trish mascara, although I kinda really want to use this. But I'm gonna show you guys this because this is the Trish McAvoy Curling Mascara that came in that other set. This is one of those pricier mascaras that I don't normally go for all the time, even though I love it. But I just think it's so funny that the set itself, like of the mascara and the primer, is basically like the price of the mascara anyways, and it's the exact, like, it's a full-size mascara. So what is cool about this mascara is that it is a tubing mascara. So what that means is when you go to rinse it off at night, you literally just put water on it and it just all pulls off. It's kind of cool. It's like, it's nice to me because in the summertime, you don't get that like running, it doesn't flake or clump. Literally the only way it can come off is if you submerge it in water and it doesn't run, it comes off like solid. Do you know what I mean? It's not like a typical mascara that dissolves in water, you know, like runs. It doesn't do that. So this is a good option when it's really hot outside. Awesome, right? So really cool. Love, love, love that set. The Naughty Girl matte and the Naughty Girl metallic. Check those out. I am ordering the metallic. If you did not get a good look at that one, you can check it out. I'll link to that one below. Do not miss those. Such a good deal. All right, you guys, next I'm gonna show you these in action. This is the La Mer Mini Miracle set. Now, I have owned both of the products in this set. This is the little thing that, like, you know, came around it, but it comes in this cute bag that says La Mer on it. Super cute. So I have owned both of these items, and sometimes it really is kind of like painful for me to repurchase them because we all know that La Mer is pricey. So the fact that this is included in the anniversary sale is amazing. You get the moisturizing soft cream, which I've raved about this in the past, and then the La Mer Eye Concentrate. It's a $156 value. The set is like around half that, so it's pretty incredible. When I had Olivia, this was something that I kind of treated myself to. I bought the La Mer Soft Cream, and it's pretty heavenly. If you've tried the original La Mer and it's too thick for you, definitely try the soft cream. This is a product that does not break me out, which is incredible because, well, I've already got my makeup on. It's incredible because I don't usually go for like super rich creams, you know? This is a cream that feels rich, but after it sinks in, it's not like as heavy, it's not as heavy as the original. So if the original La Mer was too heavy for you, definitely try the soft cream. I have talked about that before. I get very like dry around this part of my neck, and so I'm excited to use this not only on my face in the areas that get really dry, which is like around here, but also on my neck and chest. This is what I'm mainly gonna start using this for. I feel like we definitely neglect our neck and chest, and I feel like sometimes at night I wish I had something, oh my gosh, and I've got this necklace on and everything. I wish I had something that was like a lot more like nourishing, you know, just to put in that area. That's what I'm gonna start using this for. I'm gonna really start concentrating on my neck and my chest. And I just feel like this is so nice, especially since I've been very like dry, and a lot of the moisturizers that I use on my face, which is pretty balanced, doesn't really cut it for that area. And it feels good, like it feels like a really nourishing moisturizer, right? It doesn't disappear, but it doesn't feel greasy either. So the trick is to use the right amount, and it's just heavenly. I love the way La Mer smells. I think it's just one of those like luxury products. If you have been on the fence and you've never tried this, definitely try it. This is one of those sets that I bought 2 of so that I could give one as a gift at Christmas. And then the eye concentrate is wonderful. I have had this before, but again, I stopped myself from repurchasing it because I love it, but it is expensive. So I love that these are available in this sale. It has like all of the good like La Mer benefits. Like I put it on like right here, you know, I rub it. Anytime I do eye cream, I always like pull it into this area, like my crow's feet area. Love this so much, you guys. This looks tiny, but it will last such a long time. I have had that size before. So nice, you know, the jars are glass. They're just very nice. You know, it's a nice gift, and I think everyone would be so excited to get that. So definitely check that out. I cannot wait to use that, and I think heading into the fall and winter, a good moisturizer is essential. Although this is the moisturizer that I use and I could just like bathe in. I love it so much. It's the Clinique Moisture Surge 72 Hour. I have totally fallen in love with this. I get this every year during the sale, except for last year and the year before it was the Moisture Surge, just the regular Moisture Surge, but now they have the good Moisture Surge 72 Hour, and these are like the big mama sizes, and I know I've showed this before, but please, you guys, check this out. This is my like good, you know, go-to moisturizer for any time. It's nourishing, yet it's light. It doesn't feel too, you know, heavy. I think this and the soft cream is such a good pair, because sometimes I do feel like I need just a tad bit more, and I could use that, but look how giant these are. So you get 2 of these and a facial spray, and $99, and if you were to buy those all separately, it would be $154. So love that. This is truly a year's worth of moisturizer, so you will not see me repurchasing any of this again until the next anniversary sale, so mark my words on that. The Becca Passport to Glow Parisian Glow. All of these items are a $93 value, full-size items, a lot of them. 46 bucks is the price for that, so amazing. This is one of my favorite primers, and you guys know I am usually not a huge primer girl. I'm a huge moisturizer girl, so I use moisturizer, get my skin good, and use my foundation, but you guys know that over the years, I have talked about a few primers, and this is one of them that I have liked, and it's the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. It gives your skin a little bit of a glow, and it's not greasy. It almost looks like a foundation when you put it on your hand, but you can see it's really beautiful. It's just really nice. So that's a really nice primer, you guys. It's not one of those obnoxious like super highlighty primers. It just, oh man, that made my hand look real good. It says it has like luminous crushed pearls in it. We like that, that's good. The Soft Light Blurring Powder, we're gonna use this. Okay, so excited about this. I think I'm gonna use a bigger brush, or no, I'm gonna use this. This is the one that came in the little Sigma set, which we're gonna talk about too. Let me go ahead and show you that. See, we're just crossing over. Okay, this is my favorite brush cleaner of all time. You guys know. This little guy, you stick it in your sink, it's a solid, you twirl your brush in it just like that. And then you get this brush, which is the F10, $30, so that's great. Okay, back to this. So let me read this to you guys. Soft Light Blurring Powder in Golden Hour, a loose setting powder that acts as a veil to blur imperfections, set makeup a subtle radiance, and eliminates shine for a natural, blurred, perfected finish. And it's a nice, this is gonna last a very long time. Because, I mean, first of all, look, like I barely tapped it, and I was like, oh. So you really don't need much at all. Let's have some of that back in there. But I love how it has like one of those little like nets over it, so it's a very nice container. Ooh, this looks like a really pretty, let me smush it into my brush a little. Oh my gosh. Ooh, pretty. So it says it like it keeps your shine away, but it gives you a radiance. I'm all about that. I like some radiance, but I don't want to look oily. You know what I mean? Ah, yes. Then you guys, this is what I was most excited about. So you get this lip gloss too, but you get this highlighter and it has the Eiffel Tower on it. How cute is that? Adorable, right? Such a pretty color too. It's like the perfect like pinky highlighter, which I love. I know I used a little bit of that MAC one earlier, but I'm just gonna use the same brush. I'm telling you, this is such a good all-purpose brush. This is good for powder foundation too. This brush, if you love that. Oh my gosh. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah. It's pretty because it's like a pinky golden, and usually I don't like a lot of like golden highlighters because they look yellow. This is like a peachy golden, like a peachy pink golden. Oh my lord, that's pretty. Okay, that's really good. That is really good. So pretty and like summery. Guys, try that. It's called Parisian Lights. What a fun highlighter, and it's like a full-sized highlighter. And then today I'm just wearing the matte cream cup, but I'm gonna wear this. This is the rose quartz that comes with that set as well. I love how these smell a little minty. I used to not love like a minty gloss. I'm into it now. And then finally, speaking of glowy, this is something that I've always wanted to buy. I've had samples of this Kai oil, and it's a perfume oil that smells different on everyone. It's supposed to smell different on everyone. I liked the idea of this, which is the Kai Body Glow. So this is like a spray oil. Like you could totally wear your regular perfume or just wear this, you know, but so it's a spray oil. And it makes your skin look so freaking pretty. Like so pretty on your legs and on your arms, on your shoulders, on your chest. So pretty. And it's the most soft, subtle scent. It's so sexy, you guys. Just soft, sexy. You could spray it all over. And you get the little perfume roller. Love that so much, you guys. But like I said, I will link to every single beauty item that I showed. Check out all those recommendations, you guys. If you're like me, you might be placing that last minute sale order, and hopefully my recommendations helped, because it really stinks when the sale ends and you're like, oh, I wish I would have bought that. Definitely don't miss out. This is just the greatest sale of the year. It's my favorite. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Big thanks to Nordstrom. Love this sale every year. Love talking about it. It's kind of sad. We're hanging up the sale videos this year, you guys. This is it. So yeah, love y'all so much. And I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye, you guys.